crazy shit.
Oh, wow.
That's a crazy guy. I think
Oh,
that's
you
a
got
crazy
the
guy.
camera too.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, that's crazy.
As soon as
man.
you're gonna turn, you don't turn yet. You wait, and then you vroom.
Oh, I saw that guy
I
is
think he's
crazy.
drinking.
This guy is
Drinking.
crazy too.
I think he.
This guy saw the switch left. This guy, you see?
Right?
SUV. This SUV.
I seen a little bit of sparks.
This SUV saw the switch left.
Yeah.
Goes away to that car.
Wow. Look at.
The guy trying to get
Shit,
out.
that's crazy. I saw it.
That guy flew on the way.
Oh,
He's
man.
right there.
Oh.
No, he's running.
Oh.
No, he's trying to run.
Oh, he's right.
Yeah.
Oh, you see? I saw it. That's dangerous, man. I see.
What? Like this.
Everybody saw it, right?
Yes. Right now, when he hit, then I saw the spark, and he spin, and then right now, the guy that hit, he get out the car fast, and he climb up the hill to run.
Oh,
I
man.
thought he flew up there, but no.
I got the camera. You want me to shoot somebody?
Up to you. How you feel?
I don't know how to.
All you do is show them.
I don't know how can I shoot the police guy.
You show them the video. I don't know. I don't know how.
Oh.
If you want
You
to show it
see,
to them,
it's dangerous.
if you want to show it to them, we should go.
Yeah, it's fine for us.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh.
And he came quick towards you too.
Huh?
He came close to you. When he go, he almost come fast to you, towards you, huh? Like he almost.
Yeah, almost.
Oh.
That guy ran to me. You know, I gave the way to that guy. You see,
Yeah.
that guy ran from my back. I saw that guy. Then I switched a little bit right, gave way to that guy.
Yeah.
But that car in front of me didn't go the way to that car. You know.
Oh man.
Oh.
Now the guy, he climbed climbed the little hill and he runs.
Oh.
Cause he looking back and he running.
Oh.
Cause he's not calling for help. Cause if he called for help, he would stay and call 911.
Somebody call 911?
Nobody yet.
Oh man.